The reMarkable 2 is pretty neat device, however, it's not free of any problems. And one of the problems with the reMarkable 2 is the synchronization that sometimes just breaks. Here are exactly 3 ways you can do to fix the synchronization between your reMarkable 2 and your desktop and mobile application. Fix number 1 is go to the menu, go to the settings, go to the general, and here use the restart. I found out that in 50% of the cases the restart of the device actually fixes the problem with the synchronization, and the synchronization is restored after the restart. Method number 2 is, one more time, go to the menu, go to the settings, and in the storage option click check sync. The device will check if there are any known problems with the synchronization. It will try to resolve those problems, and if there are no syncing errors found, then the correct text will be displayed on your site. This saved my synchronization problems at least twice in the last month. So as you can see, it's not common of the thing. The third thing you can try to fix the synchronization problems on the reMarkable is go to the settings, and here in the Wi-Fi option turn off and then turn on Wi-Fi again. In some of the rare cases your problems are really connected with the fact that the internal Wi-Fi module has some problems and really lost the connection to the router. In some cases this helps, in some, well, you can always reset the device and synchronize it from scratch, but I don't really think that's a viable option. Thank you very much for watching, and until the next one. Bye bye!